I've got a printed MIDI dress ready, and my AI model's about to wear it. This shoot can take your brand to the next level. Creating content usually takes tons of time and effort, but imagine if a smart AI influencer could do it all for you. And the best part? It costs nothing. It's completely free. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel and keep learning. Looking at our roadmap, the first step is to create a complete and realistic AI character using the Nano tool. Next, we write the scripts with ChatGPT and then turn those scripts into talking videos using Google Flow. After that, we focus on strategies to make money on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Finally, we dive into advanced techniques to level up our results. So let's get started step by step. Now, we open the app and select version 2.5 Flash. Then we go to the Tools section and click Create Images. After typing the prompt and hitting Submit, the first face appears. But let's try another one because it's not quite right. This one is perfect. Let's download it now. It's 5.6 megabytes, which means high quality with very realistic details. And if you already have a face ready, either your own or a model's, you can just skip this step. Let's start with step 1. Nano Banana. It's an advanced AI image editor that helps you keep your images consistent while designing them exactly the way you want, from locations and poses to backgrounds, or even straight from your imagination. To access Nano Banana, I search for Google AI Studio and go straight to the Studio dashboard. Next, we select the image preview in version 2.5 Flash, click the Nano icon again, hide the other elements, and rename the project to keep everything organized. Now I have a printed MIDI dress, and I want my model to wear it and pose perfectly in a commercial fashion photography. To do this, we click Upload File, select the influencer and outfit, and open it. I've created a custom prompt with all the details I want, so I copy and paste it here, then hit Run. In just a few seconds, the result appears, and it looks amazing. The output is even more incredible. The outfit looks perfect, everything is exactly right, and the background matches beautifully, giving it a very natural and realistic look. Now it's time to use this image to create a polished, professional video, complete with smooth dialogue and perfect camera angles. In this step, we'll combine steps 2 and 3 together. First, go ahead and search for Google Flow AI, then click on Flow. But before we start, let's take a quick look at what Flow has to offer. Google Flow is an incredible AI video creation tool. It automatically handles camera angles, realistic visuals, sound, and scene transitions. That's why it's so valuable for filmmakers, educators, or content creators. The tool is free to use, but it comes with a limited number of tokens. If you sign up using a student ID, you get 1,000 tokens per month for an entire year, completely free. If you don't have a student ID, you'll need to purchase tokens to use Flow. Now let's click on Create with Flow and select New Project. In the dashboard, there are a few important things to keep in mind. When you click on Text to Video, 3 options will appear. Choose Image to Video. Next, click on VEO 3:3 Quality, and some settings will open where you can set the video ratio you want. Make sure to select only one video in the output, otherwise your tokens will run out too quickly. You can choose either the VO3 or VO2 Fast model. Just keep in mind that each video will use 20 or 10 tokens depending on the model. If you want the highest video and audio quality, go with VO3 quality, which costs 100 tokens per video. After that, click the plus icon, select the image you created from the Upload section, and open it. Crop the image if needed, then save it so it's ready to use in your video project. Now we're at the video stage. I've created a main prompt that includes multiple mini prompts for 4 different scenes. You can customize this prompt however you like, add more scenes, more dialogue, or adjust it to match your creative vision. From this main prompt, we'll generate JSON video prompts using ChatGPT. So what's a prompt? It's a prompt written in JavaScript Object Notation JSON format. Basically, it gives the AI very clear and organized instructions to get the best possible results. Just copy the prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, then go to Add to Photo, select the image you generated earlier, open it, and finally, hit Run to start the process. Alright, so the prompt for my first scene is ready, and it even includes the dialogue. All I need to do now is copy the code, paste it in, hit enter, and boom. In just a couple of minutes, the video is done. Let's check it out.
Hi everyone, I'm here wearing one of the most elegant pieces from our new collection too, this modern pink luxury dress. Just look at how effortlessly it flows.
Looks amazing, super smooth and realistic. I changed the aspect ratio of the image because Add to Scene couldn't extend the video using the last frames to complete the ad. It needs to be in a 16:9 format, since portrait mode isn't currently supported for this feature. Alright, to make your video super smooth, click on Add to Scene. You'll see a timeline pop up, just like in any regular editing app. Move the playhead to the last frame, then click Save Frames as Asset. This saves the final image from your scene, so the next clip starts from the exact same point, which makes your cuts look clean and natural. Once that's done, select the saved frame, go back to ChatGPT, and when it asks if you want to continue, just click Yes. It'll automatically generate the JSON prompt for Scene 2. Copy it, paste it, hit Enter, and boom! Your next scene is ready. Let's check it out.
The design is timeless, the texture feels incredibly soft, and the structure gives you that perfect shape caldo.
This method keeps your video super smooth and consistent. No awkward cuts, no jumps. You'll see that the second scene starts exactly where the first one ended, making everything flow naturally. To continue, just repeat the same steps for the rest of your scenes. Move the playhead, hit the plus icon to save the last frame, select it, name it Scene 3, press Enter, then copy, paste, and keep going. Do that for all your scenes. Once it's done, just click Download, and that's it. Your video is ready. Let's check the final result.
Hi everyone, I'm here wearing one of the most elegant pieces from our new collection, this modern pink luxury dress. The design is timeless, the texture feels incredibly soft, and the structure gives you that perfect shape caldo. What I love most about this dress is its elegance. It's sophisticated, timeless, and perfect for every moment you want to feel effortlessly beautiful.
Welcome to the world of luxury redefined. We invite you to discover true elegance.
Captures light for it. It's sophisticated yet subtle, making it perfect for any.
It's a mind-blowing result. Absolutely stunning and attention-grabbing. This kind of presentation gives your brand a professional edge, elevates it to the next level, and makes it stand out even more in the fashion world. Now we're at step 4, money-making strategies. On social media, start by clearly defining your content niche. Then, create videos about branding, fashion, lifestyle, facts, blogs, or storytelling using Vivo 3. Add creative touches to make your content fun and engaging. This approach helps you grow across platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, reach a bigger audience, and boost your chances of earning more. Let's talk about making money on social media. On YouTube, earn through the partner program, affiliate links, or brand deals, especially by offering AI-made ads to companies. On Instagram, use trending audio with VO3 Reels to attract sponsors or earn from affiliate links. On Facebook, monetize through in-stream ads, stars, or Reels. Best tip? Post the same video on all 3 platforms to maximize your income. Alright, let's talk about the final step, professionalism. If you want to work with brands, make a media kit, a clean doc that shows who you are, your stats, audience, past work, and prices. It instantly makes you look pro and helps brands trust you. And don't forget, consistency is everything. Post short videos daily, long ones weekly, and keep the same visual style. That's how you build trust, grow fast, and attract serious clients. Alright friends, what did you think of today's video? Did you learn something new? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. For more AI content, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.